Hello YouTube, it's Two Cools 2 doing a weather video for the severe thunderstorms that are moving through New York City on July 17th, I believe, 2019. For those who don't know, I'm in Brooklyn, New York, and right now it's almost 8:30. No, I'm sorry, it is 8:50. Sorry, I read that. Whatever. Anyway, so yeah, so you're probably wondering, I don't see any rain. Yeah, so right now there's a very strong cell moving over. Wow. There's a perfect example of that. Very strong cell moving over New York City, but it's more north over Manhattan. Right now it's over Queens. That's just starting to leave Manhattan. And so the past 30 minutes, and listen to that thunder. Past 30 minutes walking around, as I was walking my dog, you see these clouds are circling around. And you see the storms moving in, big lightning flashing in the distance. So I just checked the radar. And yeah, it's definitely over Queens right now. It's moving east, but there are more storms to come. I was looking at the radar, and there's some cells to the west, and it's moving in. So the next hour or two, we should see them. There's a flash flood warning, I believe, until 10:45 p.m. You see the wind here. The wind was definitely starting to pick up for the last 20-30 minutes. You see it's this approach of a storm. It's really hot today. Our city is one of the hottest days so far. It was around, I think, 93. And there's a real feel of 100, over 100, 103. I think one used to Celsius. I think it's like 38 Celsius, 39. So, yeah, you see, there's some rain coming down. It's not that heavy yet. And remember, there are more cells to come. It's definitely cooled off now. The sun is set and clouds, so let me step out here for a moment. Really humid today too. This was a perfect amount of ingredients to create these really strong cells today. I was waiting all day for them because I wanted it to cool off. That's alright. You can see it's really dark. Wow. Alright. I think I'm gonna end the video here. When the cells get over here, maybe I'll try to make another video if I can. If not, I'm sorry about that. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out more of my weather videos right here on my channel. Please rate, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Check out more of my other weather videos right here on my channel.